I'd like to teach you the knuckle system for knowing how many days are in each month. So you put your hands together like so, and if your knuckle is there, then it must be 31, and if it's between your knuckles, then it's not 31. It's either 30 or it's February, which is 28 or 29. So you've got January, February, March is 31, April is not, so it must be 30. January, February, March, April, May is a knuckle, so it's 31. June is between knuckles, so it must be 30. July and August, so July is at the end of one hand and August is at the start of the next, and they're both knuckles, so that must be 31. September, October, November, December, so December is 31. So if it's between your knuckles, then it must be 30 or February, which is different. If it's a knuckle, then it must be 31.